Hey, what's going on, good people? This is official review of Jam Packed Cooking Channel. It's your boy, Mr. Money, Chef Ray. Look what I got here. One of my favorite things to use when I'm cooking, y'all see me use it a lot on this channel. Right now we outdoors, and this is the portable gas stove. This is a Sterno 5106. I'll leave a link to it down below. Yeah, let's get into this review. So look, it comes with a nice carrying case. It comes with a great carrying case, actually. It's not just heavy duty, but it gets the job done. I use it a lot, so here it is. It puts out about 9,000 BTUs on call, wherever you need it at. Outdoors, of course. Actually, you can use this indoor, outdoor. So you can use it both ways. And I like using it on my trips, whatever I'm doing. Outdoors, indoors, it don't matter. Just get the job done. 9,000 BTUs at your fingertips. So listen, this is basically how it works. Butane fuel. This happens to be a cold one, but look, it's got a little door that you open up here. If you want to get into here. Can you see this? Can y'all see this? All right, look, it's got a little door that you open up here. You take your butane can, raise this little flap up. You see this? It's a little flap here, and slide your can directly in there. It's a little, let me take it out so I can show you. On the can, it's got a slot. So this is the slot. You raise this from back, take your gas, stick it right in there, let your flap go, make sure it's like that. So on this side, if you come on this side, it is where you can lock in your fuel. Make sure it's off, lock in your fuel, and you ready to cook just like that. Make sure it's off and lock in your fuel, you ready to cook. Close your door, put it up here, and this is it. Let's see if we get in this. Let's see if we can get a ignite. Simple as that. I hope y'all can see that. It's quiet. 9,000 BTUs, and yes, it puts out 9,000 BTUs. That thing is hot. This is the Sterno 5106. This is an official review by Jam Packed Cooking, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Y'all smash the like button, leave a comment, share the video, and ring the bell. We'll let you know the next time we jamming and cooking.